Hi everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this pre-owned Georgetown 329, great condition, solid surface countertops, flat screen TV, got a hide-a-bed here, dinette, bathroom area. Of course, lots of great storage here in the master bedroom. The driving area here. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so this is the 329 model. Really great condition here on the outside, automatic awning toppers. If you have any questions about this motorhome or would like to take it for a test drive, be sure to give us a call. We'd be more than glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.